So we've just arrived, all excited to pick up my motorbike, and it's not here. We really expected it to be delivered early this morning, but we've just spoken with the owner here, and he said that about 40 kilometers outside of town, at a police checkpoint, they searched the bus in the night or this morning, and they found the motorbike. And they asked the driver for the papers. Now, of course, he didn't have the papers because I've got them. So they confiscated the bike, and they gave this paper here to the driver to basically say that he committed some kind of crime, and that was by traveling with the motorbike without papers, and that once the papers have been produced, they can release the motorbike. So the good thing is that the driver's given this to us, so that should mean that if we go with the papers, we show it to the police, and they should give the motorbike back. Let's see. We're not really sure what to expect here. We haven't had any issues with the police so far on the trip. The bikes have legitimate papers. Well, mine. So everything should be fine. We'll let you guys know of it later.
Phải เอกสารนำ
Đấy, ek saan. Tôi có hai ek saan chắc vào đây sai lót piping you
บ่
mention
นี่
copy ให้
กับถือนี่มันก็แล้วไปเลยแล้วใบสั่งดิใบสั่งเขียนให้ที่เก็บนาเราบ่ได้ได้คำบ่ถือนำบ่ได้เด้อเดามาแต่ไสนี่
Wat is hij? Bij kap Pakse, hap kapau en dan bij you Vientiane, bij you what's it Salavan, Vieng Sai en dan kap ma Hanoi.
มาเที่ยวบ่
มาเที่ยว
Are you tourist
yes โดยแบบก้อยเฮ็ดเวียกอยู่โรงพยาบาล CP
เฮ็ดเวียกเกี่ยวกับหยัง
เฮ็ดเวียกห้องแฮม
ของแฮม
Alrighty guys, back here, have another shawarma. Love this place. Back in Pakse, we've got our bikes. Look at those. Ooh yeah, Sophie's bike is back. So much for that early start. Right now it's already lunchtime and we're back in Pakse, got the bikes loaded. Finally got all the issues sorted this morning. It actually went a lot smoother than I expected. I expected that we would have had to pay some beer money this morning, but I think the fact that we spoke some Lao and kind of joked and chatted with the guy for a bit, yeah, in the end we didn't have to pay any fees or fines or anything. We just showed them the papers, and they gave us the bike. Sophie's bike didn't have gas. I went to the gas station, got some gas, put gas in it, and we were on our way. It was just a bit of an inconvenience driving the 40 kilometers out and then 40 kilometers back. But it's okay. So we're gonna eat lunch and then get on the road and see where we get to. So we're gonna try to go to Ta Oi, but if not, we might just make it to Salavan. So it just kind of depends how we get moving on the roads today. But it's nice roads, open, so we'll just keep pushing, and we're not going to push too far because we've already driven this morning and it's been busy, but we're just going to enjoy the roads and see where we end up.
I'm going to go ahead and apologize to you guys in advance because I'm going to take some video, but this is going to be the 5th time that you see this road. So hopefully I can find some new things and new angles to make this road still interesting for you. It's not very interesting for us anymore. Hopefully for you we can. Like this. Here's a castle. Okay, you got me. It's not a castle. It's like a military base or checkpoint thing. They made the walls look like full-time castle walls. Anyway, enjoy the first 20 kilometers of the Bolaven Plateau for the 5th time. What's it gonna take?
Welcome to our lovely hotel room for the evening. Nice little bathroom. Great sunlight coming into here. Not bad for 80,000 kip. That's about $10. Got a little flat screen TV here. The only weird thing is this piece of glass. It's quite dangerous. You bump into that and just cut yourself or knock it over. Other than that, it seems pretty good. So we did only make it to Salavan. So we're in Salavan, this hotel room. But it's okay. We can just have a long day tomorrow. But we thought it's still light out, but we thought rather let's just stop in Salavan and call it a night. So see you guys tomorrow.